Guys, this is a YouTube video I would like to share about shipping. This is a turtle that I ordered from a guy. It's a turtle that I've wanted for a really long time. Anyone who is familiar with this turtle knows that they are not cheap. Finally got an opportunity to get one. Purchased it. Obviously it got shipped overnight. My wife took it right from the FedEx guy, right as soon as the package got here, got it on video, didn't even hit the doorstep. Got it in the house, opened it up, check on him, called me at work and told me, hey, it does not look good. Looks like it's dead. So I left on my lunch break at work to come home to see if that's what actually happened to it, and sure enough it was dead. But going back to the shipping, I did not notice this on my lunch, but I have talked to Ship Your Reptiles about this, and I have figured out what went wrong with this. So we got our insulated packaging here, which you're going to find standard. It's going to happen. Here you got your deli cup. And I don't know if I mentioned this. This was a Spangler eye that I had ordered. He's not in the cup. He's in the freezer now. I mean, those are really small holes, and you know, maybe arachnids or scorpions you use something like that. But even with my hatchling spotted turtles, when I ship them out, I don't ever do that. This here, it is moist in here, which is a plus. I personally probably would have used New Zealand sphagnum in there. X is a better like pillow. And they just, I mean, he could have burrowed in here too. My wife said he was upside down in there when she opened the package up. And then I didn't even think about this at first when I first saw this. This is the worst thing about this. I'm digging this out, and some of you are probably already knowing what this probably is. Let's see if I can get it out now. Inside here is a heat pack. In fact, I mean, it is about 9:30 here in Minnesota, and this package got here, I think, around 10:30 this morning, and it's still emitting heat. Don't ever use a heat pack. I mean, Minnesota is not the North Pole, people. It's late April, maybe January, but even then, I personally would not purchase a turtle like of this value to be sent in January. Just personal preference, I like to get turtles or send turtles in the spring or late fall. I mean, I have received turtles in the middle of winter from very experienced people, but this, and on top of that, being in a small box like this, smaller turtle, Spangler eye, anybody that knows the turtle well, it's a very cold tolerant turtle, and this heat pack is going to kill faster than anything. Another video I should show you guys how I pack my turtles when I send them off. I have never sent a turtle through Ship Your Reptiles and has never arrived anyone dead, nor I have ever received one dead up until this point. And this is not on Ship Your Reptiles at all. This is on the seller not doing his homework. A simple call to Ship Your Reptiles too. I mean, they're great. Just give them a call. Hey, what's the temperature like? Do I need to add a cool pack to it? Do I need to add a heat pack to it? And just, I mean, I've never used a cold pack or a heat pack, just because I stick to the spring or the fall. This here makes me mad. I personally don't think it was intentional on him. I don't think he meant to do this by any means. He just did not do his homework, and he was very unknowledgeable on the whole thing. And it makes me mad. And poor thing cooked in there. And furthermore, they're not a readily available turtle. They're hard to find, and populations are really declining. It was a turtle that I really wanted to work with. Yeah, this is what you do not do when you ship turtles. Even with this here, this can slide back and forth. You should tuck some paper towels or even like some newspaper in there to keep that from shifting. When I pack stuff, this does not move. It stays solid, and they're in that sphagnum that I put in there, and it acts almost like a pillow, a cushion, and they can move all over the place, and they're going to be secure. So now it's just a waiting game for me when all this whole resolution plays out. I'll keep you guys an update on that, and I'll try to get a video out on how I pack turtles. Thanks for watching.